Welcome to Joshing MT Stainless Steel, Mtsco. Now let's start the presentation. It will be divided into 3 parts. The first part mainly introduce our company, our business model, the sales turnover and also the organization chart. The second part mainly focuses on our supply chain, the industries we are currently involved in and the customers we cooperate with. The third part mainly shows our advantages, why our customers like you should choose us. Firstly into part 1. About us, showing more about Mtsco's history. Mtsco is a factory complex consisting of several factories. All the factories are built or invested by MT Holding Group. And the products will be sold to our customers through our sales teams at Mtsco. We are committed to serving customers, creating value, and contributing to global industry development. Our mission is committed to global industrial innovation with more stable high-quality products and more efficient professional services. Our vision is building up one-stop comprehensive group of factory complex, making industrial construction better. This year is the 19th year of Mtsco. During the 19 years, we have grown rapidly. On this page I will show you our growth secret. We call it value flywheel. This is model that we learned from the Amazon. Thanks to this flywheel, we work closely with our customers, listen to their feedback, and continuously improve our products and services to ensure that we provide the best. The red inner loop is our business version 1. Mtsco started our seamless pipe business in 2006. To help you and serve your customers better, we helped our seamless pipe factory with ISO 9000 system implementation, talent recruitment, process optimization, inspector training, and product qualification rates improvement to meet the export standards. In this way, we provide you with stable products and professional services, which can win you and your customers' trust and orders. When you get more orders, we get more orders. Then we became deep strategic partners and started to invest in factories. This is the prototype of our business version 2. Providing professional services and products to our customers is crucial to the flywheel, as well as the charm of the flywheel. We believe that only by satisfying customers and keeping improvement can drive sustainable growth and success of Mtsco. After the version 1 loop, we found our customers' needs were expanding. In order to provide you with more integrated solutions, we cooperated with our factories more deeply by shareholding, investing, or self-established. Each factory manager is a shareholder of MT Holding Group. We ensure provide you with higher quality, more stable products, and better services. Now Mtsco became the factory complex, aimed to provide you with more solutions by expanding our product categories and investing or build up more factories. This is our business version 2. In 2022, we also established the MT Business College. In the entire flywheel, factory complex is the first driving force, and MT Business College is our second driving force. MT Business College help cultivate more outstanding talents for organizational development, and also optimize and innovate management processes and training systems to enable our employees to serve you and your customers better. Through MT Business College, we can continually optimize our flywheel. If you have any demands in the future, we are willing to share with you our knowledge management and training system. To sum up, Mtsco will continue to work hard to provide you with high-quality products and services, hoping to become your trustworthy industrial metal service provider and build up a mutual trust and win-win partnership. Any question about our value flywheel? Thanks to our flywheel and team's effort, our sales growth keeps going up year by year. Here is showing our export data from 2006. In 2006, we only have $3 million in sales. 2006 to 2017, our sales growth was slow, but from year 2018, not only our sales teams but our order amount became bigger. Especially during the epidemic, our sales increased instead of falling, which is particularly encouraging. Till to 2023, we have gained almost 67 millions. But in 2024, because of the global worst problem like Russian and Ukraine war, our business also suffered. Even this year, Trump raised up and he launched a very terrible trade war with China, so we suffered a lot from the tax issue. Although, we still feel confidence in this year. This is our organization chart. Mtsco is a factory complex consisting of several factories. All the factories are built or invested by MT Holding Group, and the products will be sold to our customers through our sales teams at Mtsco. Mtsco belongs to MT Holding Group. It is divided into 4 parts. The first part is Supply Chain Center, including our factories, QC department and purchasing department. As I mentioned in the beginning, each factory focus on one kind of products. The second part is the function department, like human resources and financial and documentation department. And the third part is the business development center. We have 8 sales departments, like European team, Latin American team, Middle East team, North America team, KA team, Asia team, wire team and oilfield service team. The last page is our business college. We have our own AI team to help our employee growing up. Now let's move into our second part, what we do. I will give you a brief introduction about the products we can offer, the industries we are involved in, the customers we work with and some projects we have done before. As we mentioned before, Mtsco is a factory complex. In this page, you can see the products we can supply, and also our factory names. MT Pipeline is the main business of Mtsco, including seamless pipe, welded pipe, seamless welded tube, fittings, and flanges. All the pipes and tubes are produced by Huxin, fittings are produced by Hongdi and flanges and forging fittings are produced by Yonghong. All the factories are located in Wenzhou. It is about 6 hours by train from Shanghai Hongqiao Railway Station. All the factories are not far from each other, so it is convenient for you to visit us. In addition, we can also supply coiled tubing and wire. Anhui Siri is our 100% self-built factory, mainly produce welded control line and chemical injection line. Here are all the grades we can provide. We mainly focus on stainless steel, duplex steel and also nickel alloys. And also in the future, we're aiming to develop more high grades like cobalt alloys. But till now, we haven't supplied lots of cobalt alloys, only supply consume forging and bars to our customers. Let's move to the next page. Now all of our factories are approved by ISO and PED and AD 2000. And this year we also got approved by the Norsk M650. In the future, we also plan to get the marine certification, like ABS, in case we can get more orders which need the marine certifications. Here is a story about our PED certificate. As our PED material range is wide, TÜV in Germany held our certificates for almost 3 months. Because they cannot believe there will be a Chinese manufacturer can produce all the kinds of materials. But finally we did it! After nearly 19 years of experience in this market, we are exposed to different industries through our customers and orders. Here are the 8 major industries we are currently engaged with. Refinery and petrochemical, power plant. In order to have a deeper understanding of our customers' industries and better serve them, our business college regularly organizes us to learn industry knowledge. Here are some important customers or project-related customers we have worked with, including stockists, EPC companies, oilfield service company, and end users, including big well-known oil companies like Aramco, Petronas, Petrobras. In 2022, we received an order for 63 tons of Monol 400 sheets for offshore facilities jackets, whose end user is Aramco. Due to the project's strict delivery requirements, European suppliers were unable to meet the demand. Finally, the contractor turns to the Chinese market and engages with us. During the entire order execution process, our team maintained proactive communication with the customer, ensuring the timely delivery of the sheet. Customers were quite satisfied with our service and quality. These are the main projects we have participated in during 3 to 4 years. If you are interested in any projects, we can talk about the details later. The last part will show you the reason why choose us. It is very simple words: choose us, choose safe. Safe means services, advanced, focus and efficiency. The first word services means we will always provide timely pre-sales after-sales services to our customers, and also we will provide professional technical services and experiences when customers need. The second word is advanced. As you know, we have our own business college. We develop our AI teams to help improve our work efficiency. And for our customers, we also make the VR link for every factory, in case you have no time to directly visit our factory. The third word, focus, obviously means our persistence and love in the industry. For almost 20 years, we have focused on pipeline systems, tried our best to improve our supply chain and provide our customers with good quality services. Efficiency means we provide our customers most cost-efficiency pipeline products. All these are the information about our company and products. Thank you for your listening.